Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to remove Pagefile.Sys in Windows 10. Open File Explorer. Right-click this PC, Properties. Click Advanced System Settings. Click Settings under Performance. Click Advanced tab. Click Change under Virtual Memory. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size. Click No Paging File. Click Set. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Restart your system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.